Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 15th, I had to check, in a series where I am taking 5 different advent calendars, opening them up, and I am showing you what's in them. I'm donating the contents to a nonprofit, and I will put information in the description box down below about that nonprofit. Today is the 15th, so I'll open day 15, starting with the OPI calendar. This is pretty. They've all been pretty, but they've all been pinks and lavenders and kind of natural, well, this is natural because it's green, but it's a pretty color. It's called Envy the Adventure. Pretty. Next is from the NYX calendar, and I opened up another one of these. This is a lip oil, and this is in Candy Pop. So I'm not swatching these. I don't know. I'm assuming that this is kind of purple and the other one's kind of red, but I'm curious about these because lip oils are really nice, and these are going to people in Provo, Utah. So it's kind of cold and dry there. So excellent. I guess not really dry. It snows a lot there, but I don't know what I'm thinking. It doesn't really snow where I am, so it feels like it's dry, even though it's probably very snowy. Body Shop. Please don't fail me, Body Shop. The Body Shop has been very hit or miss. Okay, this is fine. This is a lash comb, brow and lash comb. So I guess a lash comb and a brow brush. I'm so used to using a spoolie, but I do know that there are brushes out there like this. So this is not terrible. There have been other days that have been not so great in the Body Shop calendar. Next is Feel Unique. This feels like a palette. Oh nice, this is the Sleek Eye Divine. It's called A New Day. I'm not gonna open this because it's sealed, but it's a nice 12 pan neutral palette, and these are very reliable. And last but not least is Space & K. And this is an R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. So this is the hair cream. Looks like this goes in after you've kind of towel dried it, and you can dry it naturally or you can dry it with a blow dryer, whatever way you like to style your hair. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.